Last day or the last time I completed till line number 55. And till line number 55, what did you see? It was written about Jessica's comment on Portia. There are many times, many characters commented on Portia. It may be about her wealth or about her heavenly beauty. But this commentary is very special since a lady is making comment on another lady, where in other cases all were men, whether it is Bassanio, Aragon, Morocco, or all other suitors. Many suitors come to just kiss her shrine, but here someone is praising her who is a lady, and it is very uncommon to expect that the ladies of same age, of same beauty, glorifying one another. So, this part is very vital. And what is the dramatic value of this one? If it is asked, then we can see it's add a kind of comic relief to the entire scene. She said that Bassanio is living the upright life here on the earth. Further, he has been enjoying the beauty of heaven here on the earth after her marriage. And if he fails to value Portia, he has no reason, he has no guarantee to be in the heaven. So we'll start from line number 56 today. In reason, he should never come to heaven, if he do not mean it. If Bassanio does not value Portia, it means the quality of Portia, then truly he should not come to heaven. Why, if two gods should play some heavenly match? A match means a game. If two gods play a heavenly game, and wager means as bait. What they have two earthly women. As bait they have two ladies. And out of those two, one is Portia. There must be something else spawned with the other. That means added to the other. Other means other lady. For the poor rude world hath not her fellow. Her means Portia. Fellow means parallel. If two gods play the game of dice or any kind of game of bet together and think one god is keeping Portia as bet and another god is keeping another lady as bet, the game is going to be invalid. Because Portia and another lady cannot be of same quality. Especially the second lady cannot be so good as Portia. So something else, jewels, gold and other things to be added to the second lady to make her equal to Portia. So what is it? That if two gods play any kind of game or bet, then and if they have Portia and another lady as bet, the game is not to be considered as valid one, since the second lady cannot be so good as Portia. Something to be added with her, gold, jewelries and other things, gems, to make her as valuable as Portia. Since the world is too poor and too cheap to produce a parallel to Portia. Lorenzo, even such a husband hast thou. Has stands for have, thou means you have of me as she is for wife. Here Lorenzo is praising his own self, saying that since the way Portia is a very good wife to Bassanio, a source, a straight way, a stairway to heaven. Since just like Portia is a very good wife to Bassanio, in the same way, Lorenzo is saying that he is a very good husband of Jessica. It is nothing but self appreciation. Jessica, nay, no, but ask my opinion too for that. Jessica wants that should be spoken by her. Lorenzo should not credit his own self. Portia asking him that let me say something about you, instead of you speaking all the good thing about yourself. It's a kind of irritation going on here. Lorenzo intentionally is irritating Jessica. This is a funny thing between funny word games going on between husband and wife. It was just meant to entertain the audience as well as reduce the seriousness of the drama. Because in the next scene we have one of the most serious items in the drama. Lorenzo, I will anon. Anon stands for, you can write at once. At once he will do what? At once he will do that. First let us go to dinner. Let us have some dinner. Jessica, no, let me praise you while I have a stomach. Jessica is saying that let me praise you. There is no reason to eat. Let us fill up our stomach with praising. Lorenzo, no pray you. Let it serve for table talk. Serve for table talk. It means the praising. So Lorenzo is saying that while you will be eating, you continue praising me. Again, I would like to tell you this is nothing but a kind of funny conversation, witty conversation going on between husband and wife. There is nothing serious in it. Then whatsoever you speak, so whatever you will speak, howsoever means whatever you will speak among other things, along with other things, I will digest it. So whatever Jessica will speak, Lorenzo will digest those things. So it's really a very funny conversation. Well, we'll set forth. Well, we'll have the dinner. So here ends the scene. If we make an evaluation of this particular scene, this is a shorter video for literature. If we make an evaluation of this scene, what you have got is a kind of funny conversation going on. Here, last part, Lorenzo is praising his own self in a funny way, so that he can irritate Jessica. And Jessica got irritated. He was successful in his attempt in irritating Jessica. Jessica asked him that let me praise you. Jessica told him that let us eat first. But Lorenzo was just irritating her and telling that no, there should be some praising. And the last sentence that is very funny, that is saying that whatever you will speak, I will digest. That means whatever poor, pathetic and complain Jessica will make, that everything Lorenzo will accept. So the entire scene centers around the royal dinner, and we have only 4 characters here. Lorenzo, 3 characters, Lorenzo, Jessica and Lancelot. So it's a very small scene, not compared to the number of words written, number of lines added, but compared to the number of characters involved in this one. Though not very important, I would like to recommend you should read this one. You should not let this scene go casually, because till now we have not skipped a single word in this drama. So better you should go through this one. Finding out, obviously you should ask me. Thank you.